Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm from amandacrochets.com, and in today's video I'm just going to show you a mini Hobby Lobby yarn haul. I had a specific vision in mind as I was making a specific project, so let me show you what I picked up. So first I picked up Hobby Lobby I Love This Yarn, and I picked up 6 skeins of the ivory color, and this is 355 yards or 325 meters. It is a 7-ounce skein or 199 grams. It's 100% acrylic, and it's considered a 4 worsted weight medium yarn, and it is machine washable. For the knitters, they recommend a US 8 5mm knitting needle, and for the crocheters, a US I9 5.5mm crochet hook. The original price is $4.99, but every other week Hobby Lobby has a sale on all yarn, and all yarn is 30% off. So I definitely took advantage of this, and again I picked up 6 skeins of this ivory color, and I'll show you in a few minutes the pattern I had in mind. But I thought this is a really pretty cream color, and thankfully when I went to my Hobby Lobby they had just enough of both of these colors in order for me to make my pattern, so I was really happy about that. And this other color I picked up is called Rosy Cheeks, and I picked up 5 skeins of this. It has all the same specs as the ivory, and again it's $4.99, and it's this very beautiful muted pink color, kind of, I guess you would call it like a little bit of a light mauve or rose color, but I thought it was really pretty. And again, they just had enough, 5 skeins, which is what I needed. So the project I'm making with this is actually a really old project, and I learned about this project when I was first learning how to crochet so many years ago. And I made this blanket for my mom actually, and my mom really liked it a lot. And I don't really know anything about this, but I know this yarn, Karen Dazzler, is no longer around, but I don't know if this is a free pattern or not. But the pattern is called Circle in a Square Afghan, and this is what it looks like. And basically it's just a bunch of granny squares that you sew together and you add a border. And I thought it was really pretty, and my mom really enjoys the blanket, almost to the point where I think the blanket is like 15 years old now, and it's starting to fall apart because as a beginner crocheter I didn't really know how to weave in my ends properly, so the blanket is actually coming apart. So she gave me the blanket to fix, and I have it right here. So this is the original blanket, and as you can see it's starting to come apart, and I didn't really know what I was doing as a beginner, so I know that there's going to be some areas where I might have messed up or whatever. So I think this is the front side of it. Let me flip it over real fast. But this is what it looks like somewhat, and like I said, once I fix it up it's going to be a little bit nicer. But I decided to get some new yarn and just remake this blanket all over again, especially since I'm more of an advanced crocheter right now, and the stitches, I don't know how I made these stitches when I was a beginner, but I was very proud of myself for finishing it. But I figured this blanket is really old, it's gotten a lot of use out of it, and my mom still really likes it, and even though I've made her at least 2 other blankets, she still clings on to this one, which makes me happy because she really enjoys it. But I told her that I would fix up the blanket and I would give it back to her, but I'm going to surprise her and make a whole new blanket and give it to her instead. So that's kind of my goal. I don't know when I'm going to finish it, but hopefully I could work on it in between other projects. I did start a square last night, and this is kind of what it's looking like so far. I think I messed up on this last pink row, so I'm going to have to tear it out and redo that a little bit, but I feel like for the most part it's coming out very nice, and it's a lot softer than the other yarn, so I can't wait to make that blanket for her. I believe I have to make 48 of these squares, so it will take me a little bit of time, but I'm excited to get the blanket done for her, and I hope she really enjoys it. The other yarn that I picked up was this Line Brand Twisted Cotton Blend, and the original price on this is $5.99. However, I did get it for 30% off, and I got 3 skeins of this color, and this is Hunter Green. I believe this is a fairly new yarn. I haven't seen this out before, and I was watching another YouTuber, her name is Glenda from Creative Grandma, and I saw her do a project with this colored yarn, so I thought I would give it a try. I got I believe it's called the Line Brand Comfy Cotton yarn, or Comfy Cotton Blend, and I really like that yarn, so I was interested in trying out this yarn. The first thing I noticed with this, which is okay, but I didn't realize it because I've never seen it in person until now, but it's actually a much smaller skein than I thought it would be, or much smaller cake rather, and I thought it would be a little bit bigger like the Comfy Cotton Blend, but that's okay. I still enjoy this, and I thought it was really pretty. So this is a 3.5 ounce skein, or 100 grams. It's 98 yards, or 90 meters. It is 69% cotton and 31% acrylic. And it's considered a 5 bulky weight yarn, which I don't know if I would really consider it a bulky weight yarn, but that's how they classify it. And it is machine washable and dryable, which is always nice. And for the knitters, they recommend a US 10 or 6mm knitting needle. And for the crocheters, they recommend a K 10.5 or 6.5mm crochet hook. So again, I picked up 3 of this Hunter Green. I'm not exactly sure what project I want to make with it yet, but I'm definitely getting into the Christmas spirit a little bit. And yes, I know it's only September, but you got to start your Christmas projects early in order to get them done. So I'm excited to see what I come up with this. And then the other color I picked up in that Line Brand Twisted Cotton Blend is this color right here, and this is called Red. And I really like this a lot. Again, I don't know if I consider that bulky weight, but this one kind of reminds me of candy canes, and then the green one reminds me of like a pine tree a little bit. So I thought these would look really pretty together. I might add in a regular cream color just to put something in between these two colors. So I'm not exactly sure yet, like I said, but I'm excited to work on this with a project. So thank you so much for joining me today on my mini Hobby Lobby yarn haul. Is there any yarn that you picked up this past week when they had their yarn sale? Let me know in the comments section below. Have you tried any of this yarn before? I'm interested to know how you like this Line Brand Cotton Blend before. Have you made anything with this? Please let me know in the comments section below. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me. Please like, comment, and subscribe to see all future videos by me. And as always, if there's ever a video that you would like to see me make, please leave me a comment below and I will happily get to that video at some point in time. Alright, until next video, have a great day and stay safe. Bye!